Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video tutorial that I want to share with you guys is how you can connect your Canva account to Claude AI. So this is my first time using Claude. I always use ChatGPT to create something, and in this video I'm going to create something like a video podcast that I really use Claude, and I will show you guys how a short tutorial on how you can connect your Canva account to Claude, and then I'm going to create a short video tutorial on how I use Claude to create my video podcast, and then I use Videoexpress 3.0 to create those visuals and make a podcast. Alright, so without any further ado, before I go to my tutorial, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and I'll show you guys how to connect your Canva apps into Cloud AI. Let's do this. Alright, so now we are here in Claude, and as you see guys, you can use this for free plan, and if you want you can upgrade it, but I'm now using a free plan. So what you're gonna do here guys to connect this into Canva, over here you will see a customize. So click that customize, and then you will see the connectors here. Okay, so to connect that to your application, all you're gonna do is to click connect, and you will see here some connectors that you have to connect if you want to. So if you didn't see Canva here on the search bar, just type Canva. Alright, so now here is the Canva, and then I'm just gonna click the plus sign to connect this into my cloud. Okay, there you go. So this will connect, authorization successful. So now my Canva is already connected into my cloud. Alright, so now, and as you see guys, I've already connected my Canva app into Claude. As you see guys, if you want to disconnect, then just click this one and disconnect. Alright, so now next we're going to your setting. Click this one, and then you're going to click settings. You're gonna go to capabilities. Click this one, so that we just want to make sure that the cloud will remember the the chat, the history. So generate memory, we need to click this one on and on. Alright, so make sure that you check this one to to generate memory from the cloud. So after you finish this one, then I think that's all you have to do, and then you can now go back. So now your Canva apps is already connected to cloud. Alright, so once you connect all of that, then the cloud will help to remember the chat, the previous chat that you did, your history, because you already toggled the on button there in your memory chat. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a project. Okay, click this one. And since we don't have a project yet, just want to show you guys how to do a project, then click new project. So what we're going to do here is you're going to fill this up, how to use these projects, help you to organize your work and everything that you want to create. So since this is my first project and I'm starting to creating a new one, what are you working on? So name your projects, because I'm going to use a character that I created in Canva. Okay, so once we finish with that, then you're going to create a project. So here is the Kanji video podcast. I want to create a passive. So what you're going to do here is we're going to type what do you want to do. So you're going to have here, as you see, I already toggle on the memory. So whenever I finish, it will remember what we talk about and what we're doing. Here is the instruction. You can just add an instruction here. So whatever instruction you have, just type in here about the project that you want. How can I help you? So I want to create an episode about a story of Kanju. And I want it comedy. Make it a comedy story. All right. So now here is the cast. Which Kanju characters do you want featured? So you can skip this. Okay. So I'm just gonna, let's say I'm just gonna choose Yamada Takahiro. And then I'm just gonna make this one. What kind of comedy vibe that you want for your episode? I want to say, let's say, wholesome chaos. So now let's see how it looks like. All right, so now here is the first episode, which is the Operation Surprise Party. So here is the scene one and the scene two, shopping tip and things like that. So what we're going to do, I want to create an image prompt for this and I want to create a video prompt for this. All right, so this is just an episode, but we need we need a visual for this. So what I'm going to ask for more is please, let's say, please create a image prompt and a video prompt for each scene. Okay, and I'm gonna tell to Claude that I'm gonna use let's say Videoexpress. Okay, I'm using Video Express AI to create a video. Okay, and then I'm just gonna click enter. All right, so now here you go, guys. As you see, it's creating for the scene one, the big ID. Just all you have to do is just copy this one, copy and take it to wherever AI visual video creator that you are using. You can use Canva, you can use, other AI tools that you want to use to create these visuals. But I'm going to use the Video Express 3.0, which I already have it and still testing it. So I'm just going to copy all of this to see what kind of a video they're going to create for us for each scene. Okay, so all of this are created by app using your free account. So let's see, I'm just gonna show you guys first one thing. Okay, let's start with the big idea for scene one. I'm just going to copy this one and then I'm going back to Video Express to click create video from prompt, and then I'm gonna set this for vertical and I'm just gonna paste here the one that Claude gave to us, and then I'm going back to Claude and then I'm going to copy the video prompt. Okay, let's go back to Video Express and paste it here. So I'm going to do the image type, this one. I just want to have, let's click advanced mode. So I want this to maybe like 10 seconds. Okay, so let's see, because of the narration and things like that. So I just want to create an image for this. As you see, guys, it's creating an image. So image type is 3D. You can always change this one whenever you like. You can make it image type 2, image 3D. Okay, if I change this to image 2D, and then I can just create an image, and let's see, 2D and 3D are different type of image, so you can choose which you want. So this is for 2D and this is for 3D. So I'm just gonna, if you don't like this, then you can go back again, click 3D and just create an image again, and you can choose which image that you want to use. All right, so there you go, and then you can just create a video. All right, so the video is in your My Media tab, which is media library, and later on we're gonna take a look at it. Okay, so now we're going back to Claude and we're going to do the second one. Okay, let's go back here and let's go to scene 2. We're gonna copy this one, go back here, and then we're just gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna copy the second script for that. And copy the video. Here is the scene 2, is the shopping trip. Let's copy the video. And let's go back here. I'm just going to delete all of this and I'm going to paste it here. So same 3D. I'm just going to uncheck this one, and this one is good. So let's create an image. So as you see, guys, the image are the same. So here is the second scene of the video, and you can click create a video. And if you don't like how it looks like, then you can always create another image, and let's see what image is gonna give us. This is the first image that created, and let's see this. All right, so a little bit different, so which you want to use, so it's all up to you guys. I'm just gonna click create a video for this. All right, and then I'm going back and just delete all of this and delete all of this, and then go back to Claude, and let's go to the scene 3, which is this one, which is the setup goes wrong. Same process over and over again to all the scenes until you finish all of it. Okay, to find out where are those videos, here on your left or right side, click the media library and go to your folder, which is My AI videos. Click this one, and as you see, guys, it's all generated. Okay, this one's still generating, but let's take a look the first one. This is the first one that we just created, and let's play with it. All right, this is how it looks like. This is the first scene. This is the second scene. So here in Videoexpress, if you want to use this as your workstation, all you're gonna do is just to drag it all in here, all here, you know. So you just have a, you know, a video, and then you just later on you put a narration, you put a voiceover into this. Okay, so now we finished this one. Let's take a look. This one. You see, I created two, so which and which that you want to use. So if you want to use this, you just drag it here, and now you have the three scene, first scene, second scene, third one, and here is the fourth one. Let's play with this. All right, so I'm gonna get this one here, and here is the final scene. All right, so I think I'm gonna get this one and put it over here. So we already have all the scenes that Claude, you know, created for us. Then you can just add a voice over here at the bottom, or inside of Videoexpress here. If you create this one and create this one, you will see a lip sync HD video. I have a tutorial on this, guys, on how to do this. Maybe I will put on the description, the link on the description, how to do the lip sync video. So I just want to show you guys how you can create your own image prompt and video prompt using Claude AI. Okay, and now here, as you finish, want me also to write an intro title card and outro credit prompt to bookend the full episode, and then it's all up to you to continue. And if you want, you can also create a new episode for this. Just let Claude what you want to do. Okay, so here you go. Want me to write episode 2 with a cooking disaster? So it's all up to you guys to create this one. So once you finish with that, guys, all you're gonna do, if you want to check your project here, so here is your first project that you created, and you can come back later on, and if you didn't finish your project. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching.